Damas y Caballeros, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Joe J. Jr. and welcome to another super cool pomade review where today I'm going to be checking out, this isn't really specific, but we'll just say we're going to be checking out Elegance's pomade. So if you guys are new to this, basically I've said this in some of my previous videos, which you guys should definitely check out right here. I get a lot of my products from Sally's, and some of your guys' requests I have ordered, and I should be doing those by next week. But other than that, I've been seeing this one a lot at Sally's, and I've pretty much tried a lot of the pomades and stuff that they have down there. And I guess this was the last one on the list, I'd say. Possibly. With everything that's going on with COVID-19, I don't know if they have any more incoming or if I've pretty much just done all of them at this point. But so right off the bat, you guys can see it says it is super strong hold wax, matte look, all day hold, and it makes for easy styling and transparent formula. So the whole container itself is plastic. As far as the size of my hand isn't really huge or anything. It's about the size of my palm. So let's open this up. So nothing on the inside, it seems to be full plastic. Little plastic seal. I can smell this without the seal even being on. It smells fresh and I failed. Packaging is pretty hard to get off, not gonna lie. Like I'm pulling on the plastic and it's like bending the container itself, but oh yeah, I smell more of it now. It smells fresh. It's got a fresh smell. It smells kind of like Irish Spring, like the body wash. Like it's not super pricey, but it smells good. And I'm not saying that this smells bad or anything. Like it actually smells pretty good, kind of soapy-ish, but very kind of feels like a putty. Feels like jelly. I'm trying to get a fingerful, but it keeps sticking. At this point, I'm just making a mess. There we go. So, breaks apart very easily. Time to start applying. Kind of feels like it's not even there so far. Kind of feels like I just put water in my hair. This stuff is like hard to get out of the container. It keeps sticking. So how are you guys doing so far? I think I recently ended up ordering the Suavecito Light Hold, and I think it was Crystal Lake something, O'Dowd's possibly. I don't know. You guys will have to wait and see. I'll probably be doing those next week because I ordered them and they're scheduled to be here by Sunday. So if everything goes well and there's no holds ups, English, they should be here by next week. And as always, guys, if you guys have any recommendations on any pomades or any products you guys would like me to try out, definitely let me know in the comments section down below. Anyways, I think I've got as much of the product as I want in my hair. Like, the plastic was pretty hard to get off of the container because the more I pulled on it, the more I noticed it started to like bend it, and because it's plastic, it does bend. I still can't even get the rest of this off. Anyways, applying the product, we're done so far. Now it's time to comb. And this, despite it going through my hair kind of like easy like water, there's a lot of resistance at first. There's a lot of shine. Gotta work the product through your hair. I noticed some tugging I don't know if that's the product or just my hair. No, but I think that is the product. So everything has been pretty much applied so far. You guys can see so far, I mean, the hold doesn't seem to be great, considering it says it's made for an all-day hold. Super strong hold wax. So that's the end of it for now. You guys know the drill. I'll be back to decide whether it's good, bad, or okay. So I will be back. Damas y Caballeros, I am back and time is up. So far, from what I can see, this is not a matte hold. It's more shine, and as you guys can see, the hold didn't last and my hair split. Now, originally I thought maybe I was just moving my head around too much, so I tried recombing it, and then I just decided, you know, maybe I'll just sit down and read a book, because I don't want to be frizzing up my hair or messing up with the results, and regardless, it's still split over and over, and I tried combing it, fixed it, and then it would just split again. So that, and well, the ultimate decision on whether it's good, bad, or okay, I would say this is probably in between okay and bad. I think this is another case of Barberries where it's just not meant for long hair. I say this because it smells clean. It's not open. It smells clean. I realize I could still smell it even right now while it's on my hair, but the smell went from going, it smelled like Irish Springs, but now it just smells like basic soap. The hold wasn't the best for long hair. I'd say it's in between okay and bad, but in this case I'd say it's closest to just being bad. I didn't like this product. The hold is weird. It's supposed to feel, it says it's just super strong hold wax pomade, and I've used waxes before and this feels nothing like a wax. It feels, it's hard to explain how it feels, but it just feels really flat and stiff. I mean, it's weightless, but I definitely would say if you have shorter hair, you should try this. If you're a person that has longer hair, and I mean, like, I'd say if your hair reaches down below your eyebrows, or I mean, I'd say about by your nose, don't try it, just because I don't think this is meant to hold longer hair. This is probably just meant for a light hold for shorter hair. Despite it saying it's supposed to have an all-day hold, that's clearly not the case, because my hair has been splitting, and I just say probably just leave it at bad. But anyways, as you guys already know, this is typically my opinion and solely my opinion. If you guys use this product and you feel that it deserves more recognition or a better rating, then let me know why in the comment section down below. And if you guys have any ideas on future products you guys would like me to try out on my hair, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day, because you guys are all amazing people. And if you guys would like to make my day even more amazing, check out these videos right here and subscribe right here. And as always, I'm out.